front of me is POCO F6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features to manage it, or click on any of those to find an app that you wish to manage. Either way, after selecting one of your apps under one of those categories, you can tap on one of those options to apply it, allow or don't allow, and go back, or select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!